Hi, I'm Kevin from Easy Generator Switch, and we're here today to answer another one of your frequently asked questions. Will Easy Generator Switch power my whole house? And the answer is no, it will not. Easy Generator Switch is designed for essential circuits during a power outage. And there are other systems out there. If you need 6 circuit or 10 circuit systems, they're out there. And then you could jump all the way up to a whole house system. If you go into a whole house system, obviously the cost changed dramatically. The whole house transfer switch will be rated for your whole panel. Our transfer switch is rated for a single circuit. The 4 and 6 circuit units, those are also rated for each individual circuit. There are no shortcuts. There is no magic that we can tell you that you can use to make it power everything. So if you're purchasing a 6 circuit, that's what you're limited. A 10 circuit, you'd be limited to that. And again, your generator has to match the load that you're asking it for. If you are running a 6 circuit unit and you're running 40 amps, you need a generator that's going to put out 40 amps. The Easy Generator Switch is dedicated to a single circuit, and therefore your generator could be much smaller, it's much more user-friendly, and your gas is considerably less on a small generator. So I hope we've answered your question, and keep the questions coming, and I appreciate it.